Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. I hope you all are fine. This is grade 5 social studies. Our chapter which was done during this week, that was from our history section. Today is the third lesson of the same chapter. Today we will wind up the whole discussion. We will try to reinforce the lesson and revise the work which is done before in the form of worksheet. So, War of Independence created the riots and deprivation among the Muslims along with the other nations of the subcontinent. So, in order to solve the problems which were ahead for Indians, Britishers tried to give some reforms. We have already discussed why they were able to give reforms, because they want to be closer with the Indians, and they have understood their mistake, and they just try to soothe the environment to create the condition calm and peaceful. So they appointed viceroys, they gave reforms, and they tried to alter the political situations of the subcontinent. They gave the reforms and they built the infrastructure. They brought the reform in economic and social and educational platforms. So this all was done in order to improve the quality of living of the people as well as to make them calm. So today's discussion is just a worksheet which is a revision worksheet which is related with this chapter. So let's start. You can do this worksheet in your copy, as most of you are not doing it and not making the printout of the worksheet. So today I have just made this worksheet by hand. You can also copy all this work in your copies as such. So this is the reinforcement actually. So you can write them down in your copies as such as I have written over here. So let's start. Our first question of the worksheet is cross match of the given column. A is the list of Lord Woollerton, Lord Mayo, Lord Curzon, Lord Dufferin, Lord Canning, and Viceroy's Council. You have to cross match them. The first one, Lord Lytton, he made the road and railways. Then Lord Mayo, he gave the financial and educational reforms. The Lord Curzon improved the educational and preserved the cultural heritage, improved the education and preserved the heritage. Then number 4 is Lord Dufferin. He was the person who made the Indian National Congress in 1885. Then Lord Canning, the first viceroy of the after the War of Independence. So next is the Viceroy's Council. This included the Indians nominees. So simply I have made a list of A is matched with 3, B is with 5th one, C is with 4th one, D is with 6th one, and E is with 1st one, and F is with 2nd one. Now let's do some other written work. There are some statements which are written with the black headings. You have to complete them. So I have completed them with blue pen. So let's start. What is the first statement? Muslim did not cooperate with the British because the answer is they felt victimized by the Britishers. We have already discussed how this happened. Now the second one is the word viceroy means voice mean in place of, roy means monarch. Now the third one is Lord Curzon did not support. Then how? What did not he support? He did not support the self-rule for the Indians because he thought they were not as good as the Britishers. The last statement is the post of government official were open to all but not filled because they were not filled. There was a particular reason behind it, because the lack of higher education among the Indians. This was the biggest mistake of Indians, that they were not making themselves up to the level where they should be suitable for the higher education and higher positions. So, with this discussion, we will wind up the topic. Read your pages of chapter carefully. Revise all the work which is done before for you. Do your work timely and submit it in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.